Today we're talking about Aerodrome Finance. 65 cents currently. At the time of this video, we're seeing trading volume up around 18%. Just a little under 12 million in trading volume over the last 24 hours. $373 million market cap. 65 cents, like I said. Last 7 days for Aerodrome, down around 3%. Last month, down around 12.86%. Still, again, continuing to zoom out on these charts. I think I've been talking about this before when it comes to Aerodrome and really any altcoin. Just given the current condition of the market, right? The market conditions that we're currently in, I think it's super important. When looking at your outlook for your portfolio, if you're considering moving things around, liquidating certain projects and things, to zoom out on the chart, to kind of see how far Aerodrome has come. And it rapidly increased in price in a very short amount of time. From literally February of this year, it was trading sub 20 cents and jumped up to north of $2. So there was going to be some price consolidation. Obviously, I've talked about it before. Market conditions as a whole has a lot to do with this. Historically, after halvings, Bitcoin halvings, we've seen just altcoins decrease in price, right? We've seen a ton of price consolidation throughout the history of time after Bitcoin halving. So for me, I've been talking about this in numerous videos. When it comes to Aerodrome, not really scaring me. I'm still very bullish on this project for numerous of reasons. One, and probably the biggest reason, being its association with Coinbase, CB Ventures, and the Base chain. But Aerodrome current token holders, 160,000. The trading volume has continually been very high, no matter kind of what's going on with the price, which makes sense. A lot of people either selling, I could see a lot of people day trading Aerodrome, considering kind of the up and down that it's had over the last year, right? There has been a lot of pockets for some day trading or some essentially quick flips of Aerodrome, but I think a lot of people buying these dips sub $1. And again, it wasn't that long ago that Aerodrome did pop up back to $1, a little less than a month ago. Aerodrome did climb back above the $1 range, and like I said, market conditions as a whole hindering a lot of altcoins in general. But it is good to see 160,000 holders, 160 plus thousand holders of Aerodrome currently. But I wanted to go over a few things here. Obviously, some very bullish things when it comes to Aerodrome. If you go to Aerodrome's Twitter, obviously numerous reasons to be bullish. I've been talking about this before. Obviously, the trading volume, and all things kind of with the slipstream on Aerodrome are extremely bullish, right? Volume ascending, slipstream's volume share compared to the Uni V3 continues to climb. When you do compare it to the Uniswap V3, it's kind of not even a comparison, in my opinion. You can see here the on-chain volume leader compared to Uni V3, Aerodrome, obviously, along with Base, 324 million with the wrapped ETH USDC pair. In the past 24 hours, the wrapped ETH USDC pool has seen the highest volume of any pool on-chain, even rivaling CEX volumes. Again, numerous reasons here when it comes to just official news and things like that put out there by Aerodrome to be bullish on, right? But if you come here, you see this kind of mysterious tweet. Where is it? This mysterious tweet, right? CB, BTC, Coinbase, and Aerodrome replies to this. I'm going to retweet this live on my Twitter. Go to follow me, PGSNLY. And it's actually hinting at launching wrapped staked BTC on the Base chain, right? Which, again, anything significant that goes on, I think, on the Base chain long term greatly benefits Aerodrome as far as this potential and pillars of catalysts moving forward in the future, right? So to say it a lot, I love Bitcoin. I'm so grateful for its role kickstarting crypto, and we're going to build a massive Bitcoin economy on Base. Jesse Polak as a contributor on Base. I will put a link to this article in the description below. So this is obviously big news. I think when you think about the long term of Aerodrome, Coinbase launches essentially a wrapped BTC on Base chain. Just greatly benefits Aerodrome, considering it's the leading DEX on Base. Another interesting thing that I wanted to share, which again just goes back to my overall bullish outlook when it comes to Aerodrome, is that its connection to Base. And you can see here, Base currently the second fastest blockchain among popular ones to reach the 100 million unique address milestone taking approximately only 420 days, slightly behind BNB chain, 414 days. Check out Base's journey ever since launching Base, since its launch, last June, right? So Base's journey, 100 million total unique addresses in only 420 days. Just again, taking into consideration 420 days, how long kind of Bitcoin's been around, or even how long Uniswap's been around, right? And for Base to have grown that fast, that quickly, obviously bodes to the long-term potential and just overall outlook, in my opinion, to Aerodrome, right? And I think that's important to consider. Aerodrome has kind of always been a long-term type of crypto hold, in my opinion. Wouldn't even consider selling Aerodrome or think about selling Aerodrome to mid, or essentially till this time. Hopefully, things change in the market so quickly. This time next year, 2025, which is when I think the bull run will kind of be at its peak, in my opinion. Again, not financial advice, but let me know in the comments below how you feel about Aerodrome currently. A ton of reasons to be, bullish here on Aerodrome, I think. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.